This is the future of hands-free cleaning. It's the 3i S10 Ultra, and it takes automated cleaning to a whole new level. It's smart, it's sleek, and it might just be the robot cleaner that you're looking for. The marquee feature of the S10 Ultra is its WaterRecycle system. This system captures moisture in the air to produce purified water for cleaning your floors. There's no need to manually fill the tank or drain it. This also allows for more flexible placement since there's no need to run a water line or consistently fill it up. In addition to that, the S10 Ultra also features 13,000 pascals of suction power, detailed cleaning with its extended edge, a green light to detect dirt and stains, a unique self-cleaning roller mop system, integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, and so much more. I've tested countless robot vacuums over the years, and the S10 Ultra is far and away the most advanced that I've ever had the pleasure of going hands-on with. You're gonna see why that is throughout this video. Before we dive into all the fun stuff though, let us rewind to an unboxing and setup. So when you first get the S10 Ultra, it's gonna arrive in a very large box that weighs roughly around 81 pounds. This is a big and bulky package, so if possible, I do recommend 2 people carry it. Inside the box is another box with the station and the robot. Inside that, you'll find some stain cleaning solution along with a carbon rod and some documentation. Then there's the station, which is what makes this package so heavy. It's one of the biggest of any robot that I've used to date. Considering all that it can do though, it's to be expected. And lastly, there's the robot. In that smaller box, there's some documentation, a hair untangle tool, and the robot itself, which looks nice and sleek. The design sort of reminds me of a mecha horseshoe crab in a way. Underneath it are 2 brushes, the main brush, and that roller mop. Up front are an array of cameras and sensors. Setting the S10 Ultra up is super easy. Once you find a spot for it in your home, just remove the water tank, install the carbon rod, fill it up with water for the first use, add that included cleaning solution to the compartment next to it, download the 3i app, and connect the robot to Wi-Fi. Once it's all set up and the battery is full, it will run around your space to map it out. The mapping process is fast and precise. It was almost 100% accurate, identifying the objects in my space that I had to navigate around. I would say that's the thing that took me most by surprise. During the mapping process, and every time that it cleans for that matter, it does a phenomenal job navigating around. Our home is pretty robot vacuum friendly, but we have 5 cats, so it's not easy keeping it that way, especially when I have it on a daily schedule and I kind of just let it do its own thing. Despite that, there was never a point in my few weeks running the S10 Ultra where it got stuck. With other robots that I've used, it was almost always a daily occurrence. Chair legs, cat toys, whatever it is, this thing will avoid it. It's also very cool seeing how detailed it gets in its cleaning patterns as it's working. As far as cleaning goes, this is another area where the S10 Ultra shines. The mop and the vacuum system is strong, efficient, and the robot is surprisingly quiet as it's cleaning. It will easily pick up any dirt, debris, or pet hair from carpets and floors. Again, having 5 cats, a robot vacuum is invaluable, and the S10 Ultra has proven itself capable in my few weeks with it. There is a noticeable difference in floor cleanliness before and after I set this robot up. A look in the app will back me up that it does a thorough, detailed job each and every time that it cleans. The S10 Ultra uses a roller mop instead of traditional mop pads like other robots do. It's surprisingly excellent for scrubbing your floors. The fact that it also extends with its Ultra Reach arm is an awesome addition because it can get close to the wall and pick things up along the edges. As I usually do with robot vacuums that I test, I put the S10 Ultra through some tougher scenarios to see how it performs. I did a test with an excessive amount of tomato sauce, and I also did one with cat food all over the floor. Despite the big mess that I made, this thing did a fantastic job cleaning in both situations. If you notice, the robot starts to do an even more thorough job cleaning tougher messes by moving forwards and backwards, scrubbing the area until it's clean. I will admit that the tomato sauce test was a bit excessive. If a whole jar falls on the ground, honestly, you're gonna want to use a traditional mop, but the S10 Ultra surprisingly held up well. It gets down to the nitty-gritty, and best of all, thanks to that WaterRecycle system, you're always gonna have fresh water to mop and clean with. And lastly, let's talk a bit about the 3i companion app. The 3i app is excellent. It's simple and easy to use. In here, you're able to change settings, set cleaning schedules, view a full detailed map of your space, and you're even able to tune into live video to see what the robot is up to. The app is straight to the point, which is honestly all that you need from a companion app. Truth be told, once you have this robot set up and on a schedule, normal, you're not going to be checking the app very often since this is a robot that you know is going to get the job done. To start wrapping things up, I'm a huge fan of the S10 Ultra here. Throughout the few weeks that I've had with it, I found it to be an incredibly powerful robot vacuum cleaner that has made our life with 5 cats so much easier. It navigates around obstacles very well. The WaterRecycle system and the roller mop system make it stand out. The green light helps it target what needs to be cleaned, and the sleek design is going to look good anywhere that you decide to put it. If you're looking for a high-tech, do-it-all robot vacuum cleaner, this thing should be at the top of your list. It's expensive, yes, but out of the countless robots that I've tried over the years, the S10 Ultra pushes boundaries. It's the start of a new era of what robot vacuums are capable of. So that's about all that I got, my friends. If you liked this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you would do with the S10 Ultra. Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!